Today on Derek Does, we're doing this. Hi everybody, welcome to another Derek Does. If you're new here, I'm Derek. I have a lot of cool vintage things I like to show you, and this is no exception. This is a kind of a rare thing I just found, and I think it was because of Halloween. I was at a thrift store and I saw this in the rack of thrift store stuff, and I don't think they knew what they had, but I saw it and it caught my eye, and I came back to it and I realized what it is. It's this. This is a late war, and when I say late war, I'm talking late World War II nylon flight jacket. Its official name, let me open this up. The official name is Suits Flying Nylon Lightweight. And this is for the US Navy, also the Marines wore this. And this is from Willis Geiger, and it's a size 40 medium. Now, Willis Geiger, you probably know, was a fantastic company. Started, I think, even in the 1800s, making outdoor and expedition wear. And they would sell gear and clothing and such for, if, let's say you're going to go to Africa on a safari. They would have every outfit and everything you would need. If you're going to go, you know, elk hunting in Colorado, they would have the stuff you need. And then later they would sell all sorts of great stuff. They were in with Rolex and all the high-end stuff. They had their own signature stuff. And one of the things they did is they also just made clothing. And they made, obviously, this flight nylon suit, but they also made leather flight jackets. A lot of they didn't really make the A2s, but they did do a lot of the shearling jackets for the Navy, and also I think the Army. But today we're going to take a look at this, and I say it's kind of rare because I've never seen one, and it's nylon, so it's super lightweight, and it just seems like something that could be so easily just shredded or thrown away, and not many people probably take these back with them. But this is a really lightweight. You can shrink it up to anything, but it's got some great Talon zippers everywhere on it. It's got pockets. I'll show you all the close-ups like I normally do. It's a really kind of a neat thing. Something that I don't need, obviously. Nobody really needs a flight suit unless you are actually flying, but it's a neat item. And it's late war. And I think they wore these also through Korea. I don't think they wore these in Vietnam though, but definitely late war and on. I guess I'll just say that. It's not named. There's no names or anything on it. Sometimes you would see this like any other Navy flight would have whoever it was issued to would have their name on it. Unfortunately, this does not have that, but it's a really nice, it looks almost mint. I don't know if it was issued, or if it was issued, maybe it was issued right at the end of the war, and whoever wore it only wore it for a couple times and then they were done. Who knows? But you still needed a flight suit to fly, but if you're like in the Pacific, you don't want the heavy cotton or the wool or anything, so they came up with this lightweight nylon, which still will kind of protect you, keep you clean, but also let it breathe, and it's not heavy, and you don't feel like you're weighted down, because you also have all your other gear on top of this. So let's take a look at this. We'll do some close-ups. I'll show you all the little features this has on it, and also I'll put it on. I haven't put it on yet, but it is a size 40 medium, so I should be able to fit into this, and you can kind of see what it looks like on. Obviously I don't have the right clothing for it, but you'll get the idea. All right, so here it is. I can't quite get a full shot for you, but you can see it does go down this way. But again, if you're interested in sizing wise, I'm 5'10", a little over, 155, and I wear like a 42 jacket, and this is a size 40 medium, and it fits me really well. Even pockets you can get into your inside pockets if you need to. All right, it takes up a lot of room. I normally don't do things this tall, but here it is. super nice. As you can see, the barely any wear or any damage to it. So what you have, pull this down so I can get to it, you have a really nice bell Talon two-way zipper, bottom and top, so you can get to whatever you need to get to. 2 button pockets, and you have a button here also inside here that you can get to your inside pocket if you need to, or if you need to get even more, you can open this up and you get this a little bit bigger, and that is on both sides. And that button, this one's open, you can see it's right there, and that's kind of like a hidden button loop right there. No buttons on the cuff to speak of. It's just kind of like a real lightweight nylon jacket. Now this stuff is kind of see-through almost, just so you know. You have down here, you have 2 zippered pockets, and they're here and here, and they have a smaller Talon there, and this has it here. Same thing. You can actually see the line where the zipper is. And then down here at your feet, you have 2 more pockets that are buttoned. And I'll flip this around. And on the back, it is belted, and you have 2 adjustable, much like a Lee jacket. You have, like, either leave it here, you can even take it off completely. You can see that actually does pull it, cinch it in a little bit. So you can here or here depending on your waist. So you do have room with this. And then down here, you also have 2 more pockets with a nice Talon zipper here at the bottom. Now there's no vent holes because, again, this is such a thin fabric. I think you can it just breathes. I don't think it really holds anything, and it's not waterproof or anything along that nature. But you can see this particular one is, I would say, near mint. What do you guys think? Near mint? I like the collar. I'll pull this down. The collar is just a nice shawl collar, just a very short. And now I'll show you on the inside. I'll show you the tags. All right, so inside you do have a locker loop tag, so you just hang it up. And then inside, this is where you get your Suits Flying Nylon Lightweight Arrow, U.S. Navy, Willis Geiger. And this is a contract 3926 medium. And on this side, here it is, it has your washing instructions. Because this is kind of a new item to the world, is nylon. This really didn't, I don't think, really existed before the war. I think this was an invention, or right around that time, where they invented nylon. Otherwise it would have been silk or rayon perhaps. But this is nylon, and I think nylon, I'm not sure exactly when it was invented, but I know it was pretty new. But it's a really cool jacket, or not jacket, it's a really cool flight suit. It's got just some great zippers on it, and these are the same zippers you would find on other World War II stuff, only this is the double one. But it's a sweet, sweet flight suit. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode on this late war nylon lightweight flying suit for the U.S. Navy / Marines. It's kind of a neat item. You probably aren't going to find one of these just willy-nilly just going out, but if you do, pick it up, because it's kind of nice to at least save it from, say, the fabric landfill. And you can kind of put it in your collection if that's something that you collect, or you could pass it along to somebody who does collect this sort of thing. That's what I'm going to do with this particular one. So if you're interested, I probably will throw this on eBay, and you'll see this in the next week or so, or earlier, we'll see. But it's a really nice one. Obviously it fits me really fantastic, but it's not something that I could actually wear every day as I go out. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next Derek does.